Well, guys, the crypto winter is here. It's the FTX situation is getting far worse. So is the BlockFi situation. It's not looking great out there, but crypto did stave off more losses this weekend. We're going to take a peek at how both Bitcoin and Ethereum are doing, plus the broader market, and then look at some statements from some of the Fed people as well, which I think is good news. And not only is the crypto winter here, I just want to show you guys the real winter is here because, yeah, we put up our Christmas tree here in Minnesota, and it snowed like a lot. And I'm sorry if it's my fault that we brought on the snow, but I didn't bring on this damn crypto winter, and I never took a sponsorship from either BlockFi or FTX, even though they came my way. So just wanted you guys to know that. But first, let's jump over and take a peek at Bitcoin and Ethereum right now. All right, BTC today up 1.32%, but still trading below 17,000. Ethereum back up above $1,200, but only up 1.33% today. Now, most people are thinking this is going to get far worse before it gets any better on the crypto front. JP Morgan is calling for another 25% dip from recent highs from where we were just a couple days ago. So JP Morgan is calling for a fall below 13K. I think it could certainly get down there. 13.5 is my prediction over the next couple months. But I'm hoping I'm wrong for the sake of anybody who holds crypto right now, because it's just a bad situation overall. And the FTX situation and BlockFi and others stopping withdrawals is scary. And crypto.com has come out and said that they aren't stopping withdrawals, that they're not afraid of the issues with FTX right now, and they're saying they won't stop withdrawals going forward, even though withdrawals are going up quite a bit. But let's stop talking about crypto for now. We'll take a peek at the broader markets and the major indices, and then we'll take a peek at what the Fed just had to say, which I think is good news overall for the normal equity market. All right, so S&P 500 up 0.25% today, Dow Jones up 0.42%, and the NASDAQ up 0.22% after that fantastic week for all of the major indices last week. Here's the good news, though. Fed Vice Chair Bernard says it may soon be appropriate to move to slower pace of rate hikes. She also said, quote, "I think what's really important to emphasize is we've done a lot, but we have additional work to do both on raising rates and sustaining restraint to bring inflation down to 2% over time." So here's what we saw in our latest CPI data. It was good. Year over year, it was lower than expected, but month over month, we saw 0.4%. They were expecting 0.6%. We saw 0.4%. Now, if you expand that out over the course of a year, if we continue to get prints in that realm of 0.35, 0.4, something like that, you expand that out over 10, 12 months, now all of a sudden our year-over-year inflation is closer to 3.5% or 4%. And that's exactly what the Fed wants to do in the short term. So they may see this as a really good sign over the next several months if we continue to see those low prints. So that's what I saw in the CPI data. That's what some of the analysts saw in the CPI data. That's what the Fed is seeing in the CPI data. So let me know what you guys are doing in the markets. Are you hanging on for dear life? Are you selling your crypto? I know it's a crazy time right now. But hey, if it makes you feel better, put up your Christmas tree. We haven't put any ornaments on it, but if you put up your Christmas tree, expect it to snow the next day because that's what's happening here. There's inches of snow on the ground. It's insane. Guys, thank you so much for joining me for another video. Again, I hope you had a fantastic weekend. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.